Welcome to Annexa On Air. I'm Ananda Iyer, Head of Customer Success here at Annexa, and today we're going to talk about IPaaS. IPaaS, as opposed to your traditional point solutions, enables you one single platform for all your integration needs. This speeds up implementation as it'll come with pre-built connectors. It'll come with configuration tools that are really easy for end users to leverage. It makes maintenance and upgrades for your integrations much easier as it's all in one spot. Of course, there'll be data and security standards that are met and consistent across the board. And most importantly, you're starting to build that self-sufficiency within your business so you can support it long term. Annexa has built a really strong partnership with Celigo, which we're excited to bring to yourselves. The reason for this is they've got a really good history with NetSuite, got some pre-built connectors we can leverage for common systems such as Salesforce, for expanding your CRM solution, to Shopify for your e-com space, and many others coming down the line and that are available now for you to leverage. It also has very simple tools you can use that are non-code. So again, very easy to build up that knowledge internally. Here at Annexa, we also have Celigo skills. So for those platforms we may need to create a custom solution, we can leverage our consultants. And it's also scalable. So as your business grows, the platform will grow with you. And Annexa and Celigo will be here to support your business moving forward. If you'd like to hear more about the possibilities to get your integrations unified into an IPaaS solution, please reach out to your customer success manager. Thank you.